Hi, this is Vikram here from Kylas, and just wanted to share a couple of experiences with you guys, right? Sales is the lifeline of any company. I've been doing tech sales for the last almost 18 to 20 years now. And just wanted to share 2 or 3 things which kind of helped me through, or whatever my learnings or mistakes, especially for tech founders. And I've worked with a lot of tech founders actually. First thing first, founders must sell, and you have heard it a lot of times from a lot of people, but I have seen tech founders get away or shy away from sales. They think that I have built a great product and it's going to sell itself. There are thousands of people building great products every day, but only those who can sell it kind of get traction and cash flows and revenue. And there is no better salesperson than a founder to sell the value proposition of his product to the client. It also gives you feedback on your product. It also sets the tone for objection handling and everything for your sales team. So please don't shy away from sales as a tech founder. Second thing I've learned over a period of time is process over everything else, and process implemented on a platform to measure is very important, right? So write down your SOPs, implement on your platform, build your reports first. So when you actually start spending money, you are going to have a fabulous pattern where you will see where things are breaking in your funnel. A couple of clients that we were auditing right now, we saw that the cost of lead was very low, but there was no impact on top line. So in the funnel, we saw that pre-sales was not well trained. As soon as we brought that up, sales started happening. With another client, couple of sales people were bringing down the averages. So by sales level efficiency, you should be able to track. Couple of them needed coaching. Unfortunately, one of them couldn't scale up. Once we fixed that, sales started closing. Don't ever imagine that whatever Excel you write down, you are either going to raise funding and going to burn through your VC money, or you are going to find a couple of enterprise clients who are going to cover your cash flow. This is kind of ideal scenario which everyone imagines, right? Doesn't happen that way. You have to put in the hard work every day. You have to look at your numbers. You have to fix things. The systems help you understand where and how to fix. The last and the most important thing, I think, is primarily building a culture of customer centricity. Genuinely trying to help your client, right? And being interested in your client. And building that same culture with your sales team is what makes the flip happen. At all the companies that I have run, I have been genuinely very interested in solving my client's problem. The client feel it, they give more references, they become your brand ambassadors. So imagine if your sales people can create 10 brand ambassadors or 100 brand ambassadors for you every day and every month. Your business starts growing automatically. So build that culture of customer centricity and things will start happening for you. Happy selling to you, and hope this has helped.